If you're serious about resin 3D printing and want next-level detail, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra 16K is a game changer. The first thing that stands out is the 10-inch 16K mono LCD, delivering sharp resolution and ultra-fine details, perfect for miniatures, models, and professional quality prints. But it's not just about precision. With printing speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour, this printer combines detail with real productivity, saving you time without sacrificing quality. One standout feature is the smart tank heating system, maintaining a stable temperature around 30 degrees Celsius. That means more consistent prints, fewer failures, and better results, especially in cooler environments. The flip-up lid design makes access quick and convenient, improving workflow and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner stepping into high-resolution printing or an advanced user looking for performance, the Saturn 4 Ultra delivers. Reliable, fast, and incredibly precise, this is a resin printer built for serious creators. Check the link in the description to see what it can really do.